Hey, I'm Mindy Kinnis with a little progress report for Apex Trader Funding. This is one of the evaluations that I am working on. It's a 150K account. So profit target is $9,000 overall. You can see that I attempted a couple of shorts earlier in the day. This one, I was looking for it to break this support here. It did that. I shorted it, but then it bounced with some pretty intense momentum. So I just got out of that, called it quits. Then it was kind of just chilling. I tried another short here when the parabolic SAR had flipped. That one also didn't work, but I took a very, very small loss on that. Then it was just kind of, doing its thing for a minute. And what I was looking for then is for it to break this. It did that, and you can see I shorted it right there at 29.34. Had this beautiful move down, and I was essentially just trailing it by about $300. So I did get tagged out with my stop here at 2919. That was a total profit of $1,500. And the key with Apex is you can't really let your unrealized profit get too far away from where you're going to lock it in. So that's why I was trailing this by $300. That seems to be a decent fit for gold. So that is how it worked out for me today. Apex evaluations are currently 80% off for the next 5 days from this recording. My favorite thing about it is that you're not risking your own hard-earned capital. Your money is not at stake, which is awesome. So whether you are looking for a safe place to test out your theories, try out different things, learn how to become a consistent trader, or if you are already a consistent trader and just want to go for the multiple accounts, which is what I do, then you're potentially maximizing your results on any given trade. Now, of course, that works the opposite way too for losses, but to me, it's an awesome opportunity to really take advantage of what they are offering, and especially at such low rates right now with that 80% off. So there's a link and coupon code for you in the description box. I'll also pin it in the comments down below if you'd like to check it out. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. I'd love to hear how it's working out for you as well. I'm Mindy Kinnis. Thanks so much for watching.